Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Willow Glen, one of San Jose's most charming and walkable neighborhoods. Located just southwest of downtown, Willow Glen is centered around Lincoln Avenue, where you'll find locally owned shops, restaurants, coffee houses, outdoor patios, and plenty of places to explore. So today, let's take a drive through the area and see what makes Willow Glen such a fun place to visit. And right away, you can see the neighborhood's signature look: mature trees, colorful storefronts, and a relaxed atmosphere. Willow Glen is easy to reach from other parts of San Jose, and Lincoln Avenue is really the place to start exploring. Once you arrive, one of the best things to do is to simply park and walk. The main business district is compact enough that you can explore several blocks without constantly getting back in your car. And there is plenty to discover, from clothing boutiques and gift shops to specialty stores and neighborhood services. If you enjoy browsing, look for local boutiques, vintage shops, antiques, books, flour, chocolates, and unique gifts. And then there is the food, which may be one of the biggest reasons to spend an afternoon here. You'll find everything from Italian and Greek food to Japanese, Mexican, American pizza sandwiches and casual neighborhood favorites. Particularly nice if you enjoy eating outside. Many restaurants have sidewalk seating or outdoor areas where you can enjoy your meal while watching the neighborhood go by. Imagine sitting outside with a coffee in the morning and a drink as the sun starts to go down. That outdoor dining experience is part of what makes Lincoln Avenue a more like a small town main street than a typical San Jose shopping corridor. There is plenty of parking too. For coffee lovers, there are several cafes where you can grab a drink and take your time rather than rushing through your visit. And honestly, that's the best way to experience Willow Glen. Slowly. Walk a few blocks, stop in a shop, grab something to eat, and then continue exploring. That's Willow Glen. Easygoing, walkable, full of local businesses, and still one of the San Jose's best places to slow down and enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Until next time.